Welcome to YOUCANIC. We have a 2012 Camry, Toyota Camry right here, and we're going to go over how you replace the lights. So to start with, we need to pop the trunk. So anyway, to get to the back of this, to replace all this, we're going to go inside here. This shield does sit in place right here on the side. It's just push pins. To really, you don't have to remove the whole shield. I just happen to already. You only really need to remove a couple here to be able to pull it down and get access to replace the bulbs that are in here. But I've removed the whole thing, so we'll just set it to the side. So now we're in the back of the trunk. We've pulled down that, you could have just pulled down the panel. I happen to have removed the whole panel. So now with that been pulled back and pulled down, you can get to the access of the lights. This one down here, this is the brake light slash blinker, or not brake light. This is the tail light and brake light combo together. So to replace that, you're just going to twist it to the counterclockwise and pull it out and replace it. This is a 7334 light bulb that you use to replace it, a double element bulb, and then to do that you just pull it out, and then when you got your new one to put back in, you just push it back in, and then you line it up in here and turn it to a quarter to the right, to the clockwise, or a quarter to the right, and that's how you replace that light bulb. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.